Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Ada Happiness, your cheerleader for making money online using your simple skills. Today, we want to talk about how to record your screen using Canva. In our previous video, make sure to check it out and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to keep getting information on how to monetize your skills online using simple skills. We have a previous video where we talked about how to create book covers using Canva and also how to create slides. So if you have created your slides and you want to present it, there is a place in Canva that you can record your screen. That's what we are going to talk about today. In this video, as a digital business owner, I want to teach you how to record your screen and make your presentations using Canva. You know, as a digital business owner, you will need to create courses. You might need to create slides for presentation. So Canva can be your go-to tool to create and present your slides. It's easy to use. You can manipulate it, create from scratch, and if you are not such a graphic designer, you can recreate templates, already made templates. There are various templates online, thousands and thousands of them, and they are all free tools that you can use. So let's dive straight into it. So you go to your Canva. When you have opened your Canva, you go to the Home tab. Select your presentation. I'll just go, this is the presentation I have, the slides that I have, and I want to present. So now I've opened my slide. While you are still creating, you have made the first slide, you have made the second one, you can decide to add a third slide. So let's say we are adding a test slide, and we've added a test slide. I want to add some text, and I say what to do. For example, what to do. You can decide to add some elements. You can decide to add speakers. Speaker. And search for a speaker icon and add. So let's say you have created your last slide and then you want to record. This is what you do. You go to uploads. The uploads is where you can add media. You can add your videos, you can add pictures, you can add whatever you have to your designs. When you go to uploads, you can upload files. When you click upload files, you will get from the files in your media, in your phone or your system, wherever you have them. If you want to upload videos, it still takes you to the videos that you already have and audios whatsoever. But you want to record yourself. You can see where it's written here, record yourself. So you click record yourself.